That's what I got for Christmas.
Oh my goodness, that is nice.
Oh, I see it. How pretty.
That's nice.
You see a duck?
Look.
Oh, look at that night. Is that a nightgown?
And it's Princess and the Frog.
Oh man, the first black princess in the Disney movie.
Look, see a duck.
Wow.
Aubrey, now I got lip gloss.
Aww.
Oh, wow. Aubrey, look, Aubrey. Aubrey. Hers.
That's nice.
And it came with one of these.
Yeah.
Ready? Aubrey, you still got a whole
You get the boy the duck?
Yeah, I got him. Look, he's getting it. Duck.
Say duck.
Tell Grandma, duck. Hey, look at this. Look, show Grandma. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Show Daddy the duck. He's like, no.
Nah, I'll pass.
Dora!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, Dora!
Santa Claus shows you a lot of love, girl.
I'll show Daddy how to open his present.
I believe it.
What is this?
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow! Oh, you sit on it and you fell.
Okay.
TV.
Uh-oh.
I opened it. I have my own number.
Mom, pick up some of the paper and you put it in that bag.
I got Lotto. I know. It's called
Lamb.
This is
Lamb.
musical costume musical land.
Oh, is it?
Everybody got cell phones, huh? Oh my goodness, you got some crayons for your coloring book now and everything. No, for real?
What's that, Juju? Well, I got it. Get your present. Never mind.
Jordan, I got a whole bunch of trash over here.
Bring the bag over here. What is it? What's it do? Take it by that for him. What's it do?
No, take it back.
I didn't get that first. Oh, I got that present for Julian.
Alright, here, Julian, rip this one. Rip this one. Here, rip it.
I'm getting cool this way.
I don't know if that's yours, baby girl.
I don't know.
I don't think you can't fit a size 8, can you?
No, it's probably just stuff inside.
Oh, okay.
Here's that. I can't
Here. Let me help. Oh, look at your new...
Oh my goodness, those are... Whoa!
Mommy!
Those look just like mommy's.
Those are like mommy's. How nice!
Wow!
Shakira. I have those fish, but I didn't bring them.
This is the kitchen one.
I have dying. I can only this one.
You have a bunch of stuff to play with. Look at it.
Who's that? Lego? No way. No way.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, look.
Are those types of princess's shoes?
Aubrey! Oh my!
Oh my goodness.
Why would your grandma pick that up? I'm so glad I picked that up because I've seen that. Like I said.
I wanted one of these.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, sorry, Mommy. Yeah, I know what that is.
Watch Juju's head now.
Okay.
Good, Julie.
Watch Juju head monster.
Let me bring in the baby. Here, Juju, rip it open. Juju. He said, no. Let me.
Huh?
Juju.
Hold on, look at the front. See what it is. See what it is.
Oh, I know what it is.
Oh my gosh, those are princess
Oh my
dresses.
goodness. Those are the dresses that goes with all the shoes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Jumped up.
Oh my. Oh.
Princess Carol.
Oh.
Here,
pictures.
Oh my goodness.